Hello student, Chapter 2 Synthetic Fiber and Plastic Part 2. First I will give you small introduction of natural fibers. A fiber is a thin thread of a natural or artificial substance, especially one that is used to make cloth or rope. Fibers can be classified into two main categories, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources such as animals and plants. Here the picture of natural fibers: cotton from a plant, silk from the silkworm, wool from sheep, linen from the flax plant, hair fiber from rabbits and goats. Next topic is plastics. This is the picture of plastics: plastic milk and juice bottles, plastic detergent bottles, plastic lumbers, bucket, container, etc. Here the type of plastic. There are two type of plastics. First is thermosetting plastics. Second is thermoplastics. First, thermosetting plastics. Thermoset plastic are hard and rigid. Example is bakelite and melamine. Thermoset can be molded to set it in any shape, but it cannot be remolded. It is dark in color, hard and resistant to heat and electricity. It is being widely used for the handle of kettles and pans. Earlier black telephone sets, electric switches, electric lamps holders, pin plugs were made from the thermoset plastics. थर्मोसेट प्लास्टिक्स हार्ड होते हैं. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स है बैकलाइट एंड मेलामाइन. ये मोल्ड हो सकते हैं बट इनका शेप को रीमोल्ड करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये डार्क कलर्स के होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके घर की किचन में जो केटल्स और पैन्स के हैंडल होते हैं वो इसी से मेड किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स थर्मोसेट प्लास्टिक के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं ब्लैक टेलीफोन सेट, electric switches, electric lamp holder, pin, plug, etc. Here are the examples of thermoset plastic. First, thermoset handles. Second, a fireman uniform is coated with thermoset plastic to make it fire resistance. फायरमैन्स के जो कोट होते हैं वो थर्मोसेट प्लास्टिक से मेड किए जाते हैं ताकि वो फायर रेजिस्टेंस रहे, उसमें फायर जल्दी कैच ना हो. थर्ड, मेलामाइन वेयर्स. एंड लास्ट इज एन इलेक्ट्रिक पिंस ब्लैक. Second type of plastic is thermoplastic. Thermoplastics are soft and flexible. They are not elastic rubber and steel spring. They melt on warming and regain their shape on cooling. Thermoplastic can be drawn into fine fibers, molded to any desired shape or stretched or spread as sheet. Some of the better known thermoplastic are nylon, polyester, polyethylene, polypropylene, etc. थर्मोप्लास्टिक सॉफ्ट होते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल्स होते हैं, वो इलास्टिक नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल रबर या स्टील स्प्रिंग नहीं होते हैं. वो मेल्ट हो जाते हैं जब उनको वार्म किया जाता है और कूल होने पे उन्हें रिगेन शेप किया जाता है. थर्मोसेट कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू फाइन फाइबर. वो फाइन फाइबर से मेड होते हैं और उनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं थर्मोप्लास्टिक के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं नायलॉन, पॉलिस्टर, एसेट्रा. Here the example of thermoplastics. plastic table and chair, plastic food container, plastic toys, plastic spoon and forks, plastic cups, plastic daily use item. These all are example of thermoplastics. Next, property of plastics. First, resist corrosion, resist high temperature, insulate heat and electricity, elastic. Thermoplastic can be recycled, not reactive to chemicals and water resistance, not sorry. Next is soft when hot. Plastic and the environment. Recycling waste plastic is very important. It may kill many animals as well as polluting earth. Plastic are not biodegradable. Few years ago, scientists have discovered photodegradable plastic that can be broken down by sunlight, but it takes very long time to rot. Recently, scientists developed biopolymers, biodegradable polymers. They rot very easily. For example, plastic made from cornstarch dissolve rapidly in water. Thank you, student. Chapter 2 is completed.